Hey everyone, Allison here, and we are in the kitchen today making some Puerto Rican styled pork chops. These are going to be fried, kind of a deep fried way of doing it. Alright, so I'm going to show you real quick what I'm going to use, and then I'll go ahead and just kind of speed through, or maybe I won't, I don't know. But we're going to use 2 packs of some sazon, okay, some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper, turmeric, some adobo, garlic powder, ground cumin, some onion powder, a little bit of coriander, and then some vinegar and my sofrito. If you have not watched that video yet on how I made the sofrito, then I'll leave a link down below or up there for you to go and watch. There we go. Alrighty. So I've got, let's see, I don't know, about 8 ribeye boneless chops. You can get whatever pork chops y'all want. This is just what was cheap at the store at the time. They had some that had bones in them, but they weren't very thick, and they were a bit more expensive. And we kind of wanted it a little thicker, so, alright. So, there we go. Move this out of the way, put this here. I'm going to put it in a bag, because these are going to marinate overnight. Now, you do not have to let them marinate overnight. You can do it for like an hour, you know, but I'll do it the night before, like before you go to bed or whatever, and then the next day you can cook it up. All right, so there we go. Oops, bump y'all. Okay, so inside this bag, I'm going to use about 3 heaping spoons of the sofrito. Okay, just like that. I'm going to use 2 packs of the sazon. We're going to use about, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon of the turmeric, about a teaspoon of the garlic powder, teaspoon of the onion powder, and about, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of, the cumin. You don't want too much. It's very strong. Same with the coriander. You don't want too much, just, you know, like a half a teaspoon, not like that. The adobo, we're going to do about a teaspoon. We're going to, same with the pepper. That's more to your taste, you know, salt and pepper to your taste. You don't want to do too much salt. Obviously, I mean, no one does. That's good. But, you know, to taste. This is really, really fine, so I'm only going to do like maybe a half a teaspoon of that. All right, next, we're going to put in a couple of splashes of white vinegar. And then, oh, hold on, I forgot one ingredient. Okay, you're going to need some oil. You can use whatever oil you've got on hand. I've got some peanut oil, so that's what I'm using. You want, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, 2 tablespoons-ish, somewhere around there, yeah. Okay, not too much. All right, we're going to close this bag, and then we're going to give it a really good massage. We want to incorporate all of this. You want that sweet-toe to get on all of those pork chops. If you're not doing this overnight, you know, like I said, you know, half hour, hour. I mean, I do it at least an hour. But maybe like halfway through, just kind of go in and give it a massage again. But if you're going to do it overnight, then do this, and then in the morning, you know, while you're waiting for your coffee or your tea or whatever, pull it out, give it a nice massage again, right? And then put it back in the fridge until you're ready to cook it. All right, so that is it for right now. Okay. You guys will see this here in a second, but I will be back tomorrow. So we'll see you here in a moment. Hey everyone, Allison here in the kitchen. We're going to be doing some fried pork chops. I've already shown you the marinating part of it. It's the next day, so I got my mother-in-law. Say hi.
Hi everyone.
We're gonna fry these up.
She's an expert in cooking, and you know, I can't believe that she's an American girl, but cooking every type of nations, every type of, what do you call it, and all kinds of nationality food.
Diversity, yeah.
Universal, they call it. A universal cooking. So hang in there.
All right, so we're gonna just fry them up. I've got 8 pieces that had marinated
Overnight.
Yes, overnight. You want to be very careful. Now I was looking at the steak now. Okay, let's serve this up. I've got it with the rice that I made. Bring it over here. 1 second, and I'll finish making my plate. Okay, so we got the potato salad. Give this a try. Oh, so good. A piece of the pork. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah. You guys gotta try it out. Alright. Love y'all. I'll have links down below for everything. And we'll see you later. Bye.